Have an NDP file that requires special handling? This is an encrypted document file requiring proper authentication for access. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these encrypted document files securely. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value NDP file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. NDP files are encrypted document files used by various secure document management systems to protect sensitive content. They contain document data encrypted using strong cryptographic algorithms, requiring authentication credentials or decryption keys for access, ensuring confidentiality of business, legal, medical, or other sensitive document content. NDP encrypted files use cryptographic containers storing AES or similar strong encryption-protected document content. The format includes metadata about encryption parameters, key derivation salts, and authentication methods alongside the encrypted payload, enabling secure access control while maintaining document integrity through cryptographic verification. If Windows can't interpret NDP fully, start with Original Document Application. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot expose the encrypted information, so proper access demands the correct key and tool. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your NDP file and click Open With. If Original Document Application is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If the NDP file won't open, don't panic. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I've put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, opening with Original Application. Identify the application that created the NDP file based on contextual information from your document workflow. Launch that application and use its Open Document function to load the NDP file. Provide the required password or authentication credentials when prompted to decrypt and display the document content. Next, recovering credentials. If you forgot the password, contact the document originator to request password reset or recovery. Many secure document systems provide administrative recovery options for authorized users. Avoid third-party password recovery tools as they may compromise document security or fail against properly implemented strong encryption. Finally, verifying document source. Confirm the legitimacy of NDP files before attempting to open them. Verify the sender through trusted communication channels and ensure the file came from an authorized source. This verification step prevents potential security issues from opening encrypted documents from suspicious or unverified sources in your document workflow. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.